In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear tailgate handle on your Jeep Wrangler located on the back tailgate. Now while you have your tailgate open here, you're going to use a T30 Torx bit and remove the series of bolts going around the perimeter here. Go ahead and access that unit underneath. Now to access the screws on the inside holding the tailgate handle, we need to remove this component here. We're going to use our T30 and remove this bolt here. Spin that out. That'll allow you to go ahead and pull that out a little bit. Now there's a rod that comes down from the handle itself down to this actuator. There's a retainer, and you want to just kind of grab that and just kind of push that over to the side. You're unlocking this clip from that rod. And once you do that, you can go ahead and push this rod out that way there. Drop that down and let that just swing off to the side. That's going to give us access to the two Torx bits right here. Now we're going to use a T20 Torx bit to remove these two screws. When you're doing this here, just hold the handle on the other side while you remove this. Then you can just push that handle through the other side and it'll pop off like so. Remove this rod from the actuator unit here. There's a little metal clip. I'm going to use my pliers and just pinch that clip. What I'm doing is unlocking it off of that rod. Once that's unlocked, just wiggle that rod out like so. Remove our gasket. Take the new handle, install the gasket, take the rod, push it into the plastic pivot unit here, and then press up on the plastic locking clip here. And there you have it, that's locked in. Take the handle, feed that through, hold that in place. And we're going to start our screws by hand here. Once you get one started, good, get the other one in. You want to snug these down. Once they bottom out, just give it a little bit more. There we go, bottomed out. A little bit. Now go ahead and bring your latch unit up. Grab that rod. Going to feed that into the back of that retaining clip. Bring over the retaining clip here. Snap that over. Then we're going to line this up and install the screw on the bottom side. Now at this point here, you don't want to tighten this up yet. There are two screws that go through the cover that line up here and here as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to install the cover, get all of those bolts started, and then we'll tighten them all down together. So make sure all those are good and tight. Once you've completed this, you want to go ahead and check the handle, make sure that's pivoting and operating okay. Let's go ahead and close the tailgate, and we're going to test that again. Now that you've tested it and everything works okay, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.